Okay, this is Tom Bartlett for your next piano keyboard video lesson. We've been working on playing just our 2 pattern, like this. And I want to show you 2 different, or one variation of that pattern today, and then another completely different pattern that I'd like you to begin to work on. But when a singer is singing and a worship leader is leading in worship, there are times when they want to stop and talk, and many times either the guitar player or the keyboard player will keep playing behind. And that's called vamping on the keyboard, where we're just kind of keeping a chord going. I'm going to show you a very simple way to do this. You've already learned how to go from the C to the A minor to the F and to the G using this transformed or 2 pattern that I call it. Now what you can simply do is keep this 2 pattern here and never move it, but simply go through those motions with the left hand. It sounds kind of like this. I'm just kind of doing it like that. That's kind of the way we learned it. But you can do those in a random order, and you can break up the rhythm a little bit. See, I went to the F in the left hand, then to the G. Notice my right hand doesn't move. I'm on the A there. I can break up the chord a little bit. You get the idea. Keep that right hand where it's at and move around to those other places. The next little pattern I want you to learn is where we take and we're going to kind of reverse what we've been doing and start playing the 2 and the 3 and the 5. Practice that a little bit. So I'm playing D, E, and G. I'm holding the pedal down. If you do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just add this. Now the variation of this is that we start to add our C in by simply doing this. 1 and 2 and... I call this a rocking pattern because my hand rocks a little bit. So now I can use the same chords that we've been using and I can walk around. I'm just going to do C, F, C, G, and C right now. Then F. Back to C, and the G, see how easy that is? Well, let me throw in a bonus for this particular lesson since I'll be out of the country for a few weeks. We learned the pattern where we come with a 1, 5, 1, 2, 5. We've been working that in our former lesson, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and now I want to add on the 3 and 4 and up here where it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So on beat 3 I'm playing the D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I'm holding the pedal down. It sounds like this up to speed. You do it on all of them. So do it very slowly until you get it down. We'll add another pattern to that shortly. Happy playing.